Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 6th chapter linear equations in two variables. Today we will learn the exercise 6.1 all problems and solutions. Today we will learn it only. Are you understood of the previous class?
Yes.
Introduction part 6.1 and 6.2 is over.
Yes.
Today once again let's recall to those are our points. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, first what is the linear equations in two variables? What is the linear equations? What is the equation? What is the linear equations in two variables? Those are our topics. Once
Yes,
again,
yes.
I recall that those are our points only.
Okay.
First, what is the equation? What is the equation? Equation is a mathematical statement. It contains of equal sign between two algebraic expressions. Left hand side and right hand side both are equal only. That is the equation. What is the algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, it consists of what are they? Numbers, variables, symbols and mathematical operators. Those are there in algebraic expressions only. Okay? What are the linear equations in two variables? How many types of linear equations? Linear equations in one variable and linear equations in two variables only. What are the linear equations in one variable? Linear equation is an equation. It contains only one variable in which the variable of degree is always 1. Then the equation is called as the linear equation in one variable only. Okay. The other name is called as the 1 degree equation. Linear equation in one variable, other name is 1 degree linear equation.
Yes.
Okay. What are the standard form of the linear equation in one variable?
Yes.
What are the standard form? Ax plus b equal 0. What are the standard form?
Ax plus b equal to
Ax
0.
plus b equal to 0. You already finished. Today once again let's recall to those are our points. Ax plus b equal to 0.
Okay.
Here it is the a comma b belongs to real numbers. A and b are the real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Here it is the a not equal to 0. That is the linear equations in one variable. Okay, this is the standard form of the linear equations in one variable. Next, what are the linear equations in two variables? Linear equation is an equation. It contains how many variables? Two variables. Then the equation is called as the linear equations in two variables. What are the standard form of the linear equation in two variables? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Here it is the a comma b belongs to real numbers.
Okay.
And here it is the a comma b is not equal to 0. X comma y is those are the variables, coefficients only. Here it is the c is the constants only. Okay, those are topics, it's over. And with the examples is also it's over. Linear equations in two variables, those are is the linear equations in one variables. Those are examples, it's over. Linear equations in one variable, only one variable here it is there. Ax plus b. This is in the form of ax plus b only. Only one variable, that is the based on those are two topics with the examples, it's over. All are the examples, it's over. And try these all are the problems, it's also it's over in previous class only. Based on those all are topics, today we will learn the exercise problems. In Telangana State Board, page number 128. Okay? Yeah, first problem. Are you understood of the previous class? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah, first bit. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the values of a, comma b and c in each case. In this bit is how many problems is give? 1 to 7 problems is give. One by one today we will learn it only. Yeah, first what is given, what is asked in this problem. Yeah, equations is give, linear equations is give. Okay, express in the form of this like only, ax plus by plus c equals 0. How to calculate the value of a comma b and c only. In each case of how to calculate the a comma b and c values, you have to calculate it one by one only. So first one only. First given data, how to write it in our given problem. First equation, what is the first equation? 8x plus 5y minus 3 equal to 0. Yeah, first given data, how to write it in our given problem.
Okay.
Given equal, the equation, the linear equation in the form of this one only, x plus by plus c equals 0. This one is give, linear equation is give. To find the values of a comma b and c in each case only. So let the solution for this problem. Yeah, first, what is the given equation? 8x plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is given one. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Yes. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This equation in the form of this one only. So here it is. Here a equal to, what's the a? A in place of this one only, 8 only. A in place of 8. And next b in place of 5. Next c in place of, what's the c? Minus 3 only. This is the very simple, all are the problems, simple problem solutions. So final answer, what's the final answer? Therefore the values of a comma b and c is equal to, what's the a is equal to 8 and b equal to 5 and c equals minus 3. This is the very simple solutions. In this bit is all are the simple solutions only. So that's why all are the remaining, all are second to 2 to 7, all are the homework problems. Just shall I ask all are the questions?
Yes.
Yeah, first second question only. Next we'll move on to the second question. 28x minus 35y equal to minus 7.
Okay.
Here this is also very simple. This equation is give. First this equation it can be written in the form of this one only. How to write it? This one, 20x and minus 35y. Before, here it is the no c terms only, constant term. So after equal is there only. So it can be transposing to before equal only. So plus 7 is equal to 0 only. So tell me the answers. What the a and b and c values?
A equal to 28.
Next
B equal to minus 35.
A equal 28. Very good. B equal
minus
35. C equal to, what's the?
7.
7 only. Your these all is all remaining, all are the problems is homework only. After later I will give the notes only.
Okay.
Only one problem I will explaining in class work only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next third question.
Okay.
93x equal to 12 minus 15y. Yeah, this is the, what's the, first it can be written in the form of this one only.
Yes.
So what is the a?
Equal
it
to
is
93.
B equal
15.
15. Why it is 15?
Because
before equal.
Yes.
After equal is there only. Minus 15 y is there only.
Yes.
So before equal, transposing to the before equal, so plus 15 y.
Yes.
So that's why b equal 15, c equal to
minus 12.
minus 12. Very good. Why it is minus 12? Yeah, this after equal is there. C terms. So here general form, what's the general form? Plus c only before equal. So that's why here plus 12 before equal minus 12 only. So that's why c equal to minus 12. Are you understood?
Yes.
Yeah, next fourth question. 2x equal to minus 5y. What is the a and b and c values?
A equal to 2, b equal to 5, c equal to 0.
Very good. This is the very simple only. Here it is the no constant terms. So that's why c equals 0. Very good. Next fifth question. What is the x by 3 plus y by 4 equals 7 only? What is the a value and what's the b and c value?
A equals to 1 by 3, B equals to 1 by 4, C equals to minus 7.
Minus 7 only. Why it is minus 7? Here it is the after equal is 7 only. So before equal.
Okay.
It is nothing but minus 7 only. Okay, very good. All are its correct. Next, sixth question. Y equal to minus 3 by 2x. What is the A and B and C values in this equation?
A equals to 3 by 2, B equals to 1, C equals to 0.
C equal to 0. No constant terms only. So that's why here is 0 only. Here it is the after equal is there. A term only. So that's
Okay.
why before equal. It is transposing. So plus only. So plus 3 by 2 only. Okay, are you understood? Next seventh question. 3x plus 5y equal 12. What is the answer?
A equals to 3, B equals to 5, C equals to minus 12.
Only. So very good. Those all are the very simple solutions only. So that's why all are this. Those all are the second 2 or 7. All are the remaining problems is homework only. So leave it only. Okay. Yeah. Next we'll move on to the next question.
Okay.
Second one only. Write each of the following in the form of ax plus by plus c equal 0 and find the values of a, comma b and c values only.
Okay.
In this bit is how many questions are there? 1 to 4 questions there only. So
Okay.
one by one today we will learn it only. What is given, what is asked. Each of the equations written in the form of this one only.
Okay. Okay.
This is the general form. Linear equations in the two variables, general
Okay.
form, standard form, this one only. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, find how to calculate the values of a, comma b and c values. How to calculate it only. So first equation 2x equal 5 only. This is give. So first given data, how to write it in our given problem only.
Yes.
The given expression in the form of this one only, ax plus by plus c equal 0, and this is the first bit, this one only, 2x equal 5.
Yep.
Okay, to find the values of a, comma b and c values only. Let the solution for this problem. This problem, all are the problem solutions is very simple solutions only.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, first given. What is the given equation? 2x equal 5 is given. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, first this is in the form of, or it can be written in the form, anyone only. Okay. This is can be written as, or it can be written in the form of what's the form, general form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. First it can be written this one only. So how to write it, this one? 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. So this is in the form of this one only. First it can be written in the form of 2x minus 5y equal to 0. So this is in the form of this one only. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here a is equal to and b equal to, no terms there. Y terms is there? Only single variable here it is only. No terms. Y terms, b terms is no. So that's why 0 only. B equal to 0 and c equal to, what's the c? Minus 5 only.
Okay.
Very simple. This is the final answer.
Okay.
Okay. What's the final answer? This one only. Otherwise, therefore, the values of x, a, comma b and c equal to, what's the a equal to and b equal to 0 and c equal to minus 5. This is
Okay.
the final answer. Okay. Very simple answer only. This is the very simple only. Okay. This is, it can be written as this one only. This is in the form of this one only. Okay. Are you clear? Here a equal to, very simple solution. It's over. And next remaining problems all are the homework problems. Second one only. Y minus 2 equals 0. Yeah, first this equation is give. How to write it in the form of this one? Here it is the y minus 2 equals 0. So here it is the x terms is no terms only. So a equal in place of 0 and b equal to 1 only. C equal, what's the? Minus 2. Very good. It's over. Simple answer is over. And next third bit only. Here it is the no x terms. In this given equations is no x terms. What's the equation?
0.
Y by 7 equals 3 only. So A equals 0 and B equal in place of 1 by 7. Very good. And C equal?
-3.
Minus 3. Why it is minus 3? After equal is plus 3 only. So before equal it can be write it only. So that's why minus 3 only.
Yes, yes.
Next fourth bit only. X equal to minus 14 by 13 only. So x in place of
1.
A equal 1.
1.
Next
B
B
equal
equal
to 0.
0. Why it is equal to 0?
No
B
y
equal to
terms.
no y terms only. So that's why it's B equal to 0.
C
And C
equal
equal to
14 by
14 by 13. Are you clear? Are you understood?
Yes, yes.
This is this like all. 14 by 13. X plus 14 by 13 equal to 0 only. Okay, are you clear? Are you all are the very simple only. Y by 7 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Are you understood? All are the very simple only. This is nothing but 2x minus 5 equal to 0. All are the simple problem solutions. It's over. This second bit, all are the problem solutions. It's over only. Next, we will move on to the next question. Third question. Express the following statements as linear equations in two variables. Here it is. How many statements is given? 1 to 6 statement is given only. One by one today we will learn it only. Here first one. The sum of two numbers is 34.
Okay.
This statement is give express the linear equations in two variables only. Yeah, first let the solution for this problem. The sum of the two numbers is 34 is give. Express the following statements as linear equations in two variables. We write it only. How to write it the linear equations two variables, or how to express the linear equations in two variables only. This statement is give. Okay. Yeah, first let the solution for this problem. Let the two numbers. Let the two numbers, look at the notebook Gagan Sai. Let the two numbers be x and y only. Okay. The sum of the two numbers is 34. The sum of the two numbers equal 34 is give. So sum of the two numbers, it is nothing but what's the two numbers? X.
Yes.
So sum. So x plus y is equal 34. This is the linear equation
Yes,
in two
yes.
variables. How many variables are there? Here it is
Two
variables
variables.
only. Degree is
1.
always
1.
is degree is always 1 only. So both degrees
X
always
equal.
1. Then the equations is called as the linear equations in two variables only.
Yes.
This is the final answer. Are you understood?
Yes, understood.
Therefore, x plus y is equal 34. This is the final answer. Very simple answer.
yes.
Simple only. So this is over. And next we'll move on to the second statement.
Second one.
The cost of ball pen is rupees 5 rupees less than of the cost of fountain pen.
Yes.
Statement. What is given? What is asked? Gagan Sai. Yeah, first what is given? The cost of ball pen is equal to 5 less than the half of the cost of fountain pen only.
Yes.
So here it is the cost of ball pen, but you don't know.
Yes, don't know.
Cost is give, but
Less
ball
than
pen
the
is
fountain.
x only.
Yes.
Okay. Cost of ball pen is equal to x only.
X.
Next fountain pen is equal to y only.
Yes.
So this statement is given only. So that's why first let the solution for this problem.
Yes.
Let the cost of, look at the this book Gagan Sai. Let
Okay.
the cost of ball pen. Ball pen be should be this one only, x only. Okay, x. And next fountain pen. Let the cost of Cost of a fountain pen. Can be y. According to the problem.
Okay.
According to the problem. What is condition? Here it is the cost of ball pen is 5 rupees less than half of the cost of the fountain pen only. So ball pen is equal to half of the cost of the fountain pen. 5 is less than only. Okay. Are you clear? Half. Fountain pen is half less than 5 rupees.
Yes.
So that's why this statement only. X in place of cost of ball pen is equal to y by 2 minus 5 only. So yeah, this equation, it can be written in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0 only. Okay, it can be, or it can be written as, x minus y by 2. Here it is the after equal plus y by 2, before equal it becomes to the minus y by 2 only. Okay, after equal minus 5, before equal it becomes to the plus 5 equal to 0. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, take the LCM. Here it is. LCM is 2 LCM. 1, 2 LCM is 2 only.
Yes.
So here it is the first term. Here it is the 1 only. Denominators is 1. LCM is 2 only. So not equivalent the denominators. So first converting into the equivalent the denominators only. 1 is multiplied by 2. Numerator is also multiplied by 2. So 2x. And next here it is the second term is same denominators. So that's why as it is written the numerator part, that is nothing but minus y. Okay. Next third term is 1 only. Denominators is, what's the denominators? 1. Here it is the 2 only. So that's why first converting into the equivalent denominators. How will you converting into the equivalent denominators? 1 is multiplied by which number? 2 only. So numerator part is also 2 only. So 5 2 ja 10 plus 10 by 2 equal to 0 only. Okay, are you clear?
Yep.
So 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0 is cross multiplication. Here it is the cross multiplication only. 0 into 2. It is nothing but 0 only.
Yes.
So what's the equation? What's the final expression? Final expression is this one only. 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. This is the final linear equations in 2 variables only. Okay. How to express the given statements as in linear equations in 2 variables? Are you understood? Yeah, this is the final answer. Here it is also. You write down the steps according to the problem. Previous problem. Okay. Yeah, next third statement. Bhargavi got 10 more marks than double the marks of Sindhu. Yeah, this is the statement. This is the homework only.
Okay.
Yeah, first what is given, what is asked.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the Bhargavi marks is should be x only. Here it is. So Sindhu marks is y. Should be the y only. So Bhargavi marks is 10 more than the double the marks of the Sindhu only. Bhargavi marks equal to x only. Okay. Next Sindhu marks is y. Okay, very simple only. Okay, Bhargavi marks. So according to the problem, Bhargavi marks x equal to what's the Sindhu marks? Sindhu marks is more than 10 more marks, the double the marks of Sindhu only. Double marks is y, is double is 2y plus 10 only. More than 10 is equal to Bhargavi marks. This is the equation. Very simple only. Are you clear? Are you understood?
Understood.
This is the homework. Next we will move on to the fourth question. The cost of pencil is 2 rupees and ballpoint pen is rupees 15. Sheila pays rupees 100 for the pencils and pens she purchased. Yeah, first the cost of pencil is give, that is the 2 rupees is give. Ballpoint pen is 15 rupees only. Sheila pays 100 rupees for the pens and pencil. So sum is give. Okay, pens and pencil sum is give. That is how much of cost is give? 100 rupees is give only. So cost of pencil is 2 rupees. Let the solution for this problem. First let the cost of a pencil equal to, the first one is that the cost of pencil is equal to rupees is give, that is the rupees is, what's the rupees? 2 rupees is give. Next the cost of ballpoint pen is give. The cost of ballpoint pen cost is give. How much is give? 15 rupees is give. Okay. Yeah. Next, number of pencils. Let should be the number of pencils and number of pens, but you don't know. Yes. So number of pencils. Let the number of pencils. Let should be the x only. Yeah. Number of pencils be x, and let the number of pens means is the ballpoint pens only. Okay, pens be, what's the y. Okay, total number of pencil cost, total number of pencils, total number of pencils is, each pen cost is give, that is the 2 rupees only. So total is, total pencil, total number of pencil is equal 2 into x. So 2x. Okay. Okay. Next, total number of pens.
Okay.
Equal, each pen cost is 15 rupees. So into total number of pens y. So 15y. So according to the problem, yeah, Sheila pays 100 rupees for the pencils and pens she purchased only. Okay, how much of purchased? These two 100 rupees only. So 2x plus 15y is equal how much of 100 rupees only. Okay, according to the problem is this one only. Sum of these two only. Number of pencils purchased equal, let should be the x. Number of pencils purchased, pens purchased equal to y only. So according to the problem is this one only. Otherwise it can be written as this equation, it can be written as 2x plus 15y. Here it's after equal 100, it transposing to the before equal. So minus 100 is equal to 0. Yeah, both are is it answers is same only. So this is the final answer. Okay, are you understood? Here it is the purchased only. Purchased will be x only. Okay, number of pencils Sheila purchased will be x only. And the number of pens be y only. Okay. Next, this problem solution is over. Next, we'll move on to the next question. Fifth statement. Amini and Fatima of class 9th together contributed rupees 200 towards the Prime Minister's relief fund. This is the homework only. Very simple. The statement is very simple only. Amini and Fatima.
Yep.
Two persons is there. So Amini, here both are is it class 9th only. Together means is the sum only. Sum is give. Sum of this contributed the amount is give, that is the 200 amount is give. Okay.
Yes.
Amini contribution to the Prime Minister's relief fund. Prime Minister relief fund short form is PMRF. Short form. Okay. Amini contributed the Prime Minister relief fund equal, let should be X only.
Yes.
Amini equal X. And Fatima equal, what's the Fatima equal to Y only.
Yes.
Contributed to the prime PMRF equal to Y only. So here it is the both is combined only. So that's why what's here it is X plus Y is equal
Okay.
200. Very simple
200,
this statement.
very simple. Okay.
Yeah, otherwise it can be written as X plus Y minus 200. Both are is it equal. Okay, are you clear? Very
Yes,
simple
yes.
only. This answer solution is very simple solution. It's over. Next we'll move on to the next question. Sixth one. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is 121. If the digit in units and tens place are X and Y respectively. Okay. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of digits is given.
Yes.
That is the 121 is given. If the digits, two-digit number is ones place and tens place is give. That is the X and Y respectively.
Yes. Yes.
Very simple.
Yep.
This problem solution also very simple only. Let the solution for this problem. Solution. Two-digit number, that is a X and Y respectively. Okay. Let the two numbers be X and Y. Okay. X in place of what's the two-digit numbers and number obtained by reversing the order. Digit is, if the digits is in its place is X only. In its place is X. And next tens place is, what's the tens place? Y only. Okay. The sum of the two-digit number. This one only. Two-digit number equal this one. The sum of the two-digit number this one only, 10y plus x. Next, and number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is give. Number obtained by reversing the digits only. Number obtained by reversing the digits. Reversing the digits means is the ones place is Y, tens place is X only, reversing only. So this numbers is reversed only. So that's why what's the 10x, then what's the, what we will get? 10x plus y only. Okay. This numbers is reversing order. So x in place of y, y in place of x only. So that's why 10x plus y only. Next, sum of these two is give. that is the digits is give, sum is give only. So the sum of the above two numbers, above two number sum is give. What's the sum is give in given problem? 121 is give. So sum of these two numbers, what's the numbers? First number is 10y plus x plus another number is 10x plus y is equal to 121. Okay. Yeah. Next, is there any like terms? S is there only. X is x. So x 1x plus 10x. It is nothing but total is 11x. Plus these two are is the like terms only. So 10y plus y. It is nothing but 11y is equal to 121. So cancellation in the table of 11 table in both sides only. So 11 is cancelled. 11 1 ja 11 1 ja cancel, and here it is the 11 times only. So that's why remaining 1. What's the left terms? X. Here it is the first term is x and second term is y, and is equal to after equal it. What's the left? 11 is left. So this is the linear equations in two variables equation. This is the final answer only. Okay. X plus y is equal to 11. Otherwise it can be written as x plus y minus 11 equal to 0. It can be written in the form of general form. How to write it? This equation in how to write it in the general form? This one only. General form. This is the final answer only. Okay. Are you understood? How to express the statements as linear equations in two variables? Are you understood? Very simple only. This bit 6.1 is all are the problems and solutions is very simple only. All are the homeworks problems. After later I will give the notes only. Are you understood? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. So today's class is over. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say bye.